Ever wondered how to perfectly trim your facial hair? Well, we're about to delve into the world of facial hair grooming and its significance. You see, a well-groomed beard is more than just a style statement. It's a reflection of you, your personality, and your attention to detail. Whether you're sporting a full beard or a simple goatee, a well-maintained facial hair can enhance your appearance and make you stand out in a crowd. It can bring out your facial features, complement your style, and even boost your confidence. But grooming your beard is not just about looking good, it's also about hygiene. Regular trimming keeps your beard clean and healthy, reducing the chances of skin irritation and itchiness. And let's not forget, a well-groomed beard can make a great first impression, whether it's a job interview, a first date, or a business meeting. So, if you've been struggling to keep your beard looking its best, you're in the right place. First things first, having the right tools is crucial. Just as a carpenter wouldn't use a wrench to hammer a nail, the same goes for maintaining your facial hair. To achieve a well-groomed appearance, you need the correct instruments. Consider the beard trimmer, the cornerstone of any facial hair maintenance routine. This device is not just a luxury, but a necessity. It's your go-to tool for trimming and shaping your beard to the desired length. Some trimmers even come with multiple attachments, allowing you to navigate the contours of your face with the utmost precision. Next up, we have scissors. You might be wondering, why do I need scissors if I have a beard trimmer? Well, scissors are perfect for fine-tuning and snipping away stray hairs. They offer a level of control that a trimmer simply can't match. Plus, they're ideal for trimming the mustache, especially around the lip area where a trimmer might be too bulky. Now let's talk about combs. A beard comb is not just any regular comb, it's designed specifically for beards with wider teeth to handle the coarseness of facial hair. It's an essential tool for evenly distributing beard oil and for guiding your scissors or trimmer when you're shaping your beard. Speaking of which, let's not forget beard oil. This isn't a tool in the traditional sense, but it's just as important. Beard oil moisturizes your beard and the skin beneath it. It also tames frizz, adds a healthy shine, and can help in styling your beard. So there you have it, the 4 key tools in your beard grooming toolkit: a beard trimmer, scissors, a comb, and beard oil. Each has its own role to play in the art of beard maintenance. Choosing quality tools can make a world of difference in your grooming routine. They're an investment in your appearance, and when used correctly, they can help you achieve a beard that's worthy of admiration. Remember, quality tools can make all the difference in achieving that perfect trim. Before we start trimming, we need to prepare the beard. Just as a chef sharpens his knives before cooking, a well-groomed man must prepare his beard before trimming. It all starts with a good wash. Using warm water and a gentle beard shampoo, we ensure that our beard is clean, free of any grime or dust that might have settled in. This will also soften the beard hairs, making them easier to manage and trim. Next, we move on to combing. Combing not only helps in detangling the beard, but it also trains the hair to grow in a particular direction, giving your beard a more uniform look. It's important to use a wide-toothed comb to avoid any discomfort or hair breakage. Combing also spreads the natural oils evenly across the beard, giving it a healthy shine. Now that our beard is clean and untangled, we are ready to start trimming. Now comes the fun part, trimming your beard. So you've got your tools and your beard is all prepared. It's time to get down to the nitty-gritty. Let's start by deciding on the length. This can be a bit tricky as it's a matter of personal preference and the look you're going for. As a general rule, shorter beards require more frequent trimming, while longer beards may need less maintenance but more shaping. If you're unsure, start by trimming a little at a time. Remember, you can always take more off, but you can't put it back on. Next, we move on to the cheeks. The cheek line is the upper boundary of your beard, and it can dramatically affect the overall appearance. A high cheek line can make your face look longer, while a low cheek line can make it look wider. To trim the cheeks, start at the sideburns and move down towards the corners of your mouth, following the natural line of your beard. You want to create a smooth, even line, so take your time and be precise. Now, onto the jawline. The jawline is the lower boundary of your beard, and it's important to get it right. A well-defined jawline can give your face a more chiseled, masculine look. To trim the jawline, start at the corner of your jaw just below your ear and move down towards your chin. Follow the natural contour of your jaw and remember to keep the line symmetrical on both sides. Don't forget about the neck. The neck can be a bit tricky as it's easy to trim too much or too little. A good rule of thumb is to trim the neck hair up to 1 or 2 fingers above your Adam's apple. This will give your beard a neat, well-groomed look, without making it appear too thin or patchy. Finally, it's time to shape the beard. Shaping your beard is all about enhancing your natural facial features and creating a look that suits you. If you have a round face, you might want to keep the sides shorter and the bottom longer to create a more elongated look. If you have a square or rectangular face, you might want to keep the bottom shorter and the sides fuller to soften your features. Use your trimmer or scissors to gently shape the beard, following the natural lines and contours of your face. Remember, less is more when it comes to shaping. It's better to trim a little at a time and gradually achieve the desired shape, rather than taking off too much at once. And just like that, you've given your beard a basic trim, but we're not done yet. Stay tuned as we delve into the finishing touches to take your beard from good to great. After trimming, it's time for some finishing touches. Now let's talk about detailing. This is where you can really refine your beard and give it that professional, well-groomed look. The tool of choice for detailing is a pair of small, sharp scissors. These will allow you to get in close and snip away any stray hairs that your trimmer may have missed. Take your time with this step. It's all about precision and taking the time to make sure every hair is exactly where you want it to be. Remember, the devil is in the detail, and a few minutes spent here can make all the difference. Next, let's move on to conditioning your beard. A well-conditioned beard not only looks great, but it also feels great. For this, you'll want to use a good quality beard oil. The oil will help to moisturize your skin and soften your beard, reducing itchiness and promoting healthy growth. Just a few drops massaged into your beard each day can have a big impact. Plus, most beard oils come with a pleasant scent, adding an extra dimension to your grooming routine. Now let's talk maintenance. A well-groomed beard isn't a one-off project, it's an ongoing commitment. Try to incorporate your beard care routine into your daily schedule. This means regular trimming, detailing, and conditioning. And don't forget to keep your tools clean. A dirty trimmer or pair of scissors can lead to skin irritation and uneven cuts. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. Everyone's beard is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Try different styles, different lengths, different oils until you find what works best for you. Remember, your beard is an extension of your personality, so make it your own. And there you have it, a perfectly trimmed and well-groomed beard. And that's all there is to it, gentlemen. In just under 10 minutes, we've walked through the fundamental steps of maintaining a well-groomed beard. We began by stressing the significance of facial hair grooming, not just for aesthetics, but also for personal hygiene and skin health. We then moved on to discuss the right tools for the job: a quality trimmer, a sharp pair of scissors, a fine-toothed comb, and some essential beard care products are all you need to keep your beard looking its best. Next, we talked about how to prepare your beard for trimming, using warm water and beard oil to soften the hairs and make them easier to cut. We then dove into the actual trimming process, sharing techniques for achieving a clean, even trim. Lastly, we touched on the finishing touches, using a beard comb and some beard oil to give your facial hair that healthy, well-groomed shine. Remember, a well-groomed beard can enhance your look and boost your confidence, so keep these tips in mind and happy grooming. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips.